guys, so today's video is on this look and I am so into this. Like I'm loving all the products I used. I've never used some of these products. Like I haven't used them in a while, or I never really grabbed for them, and I am so in love with this look. Like I will recreate this look and wear it like in a heartbeat. Like, oh my goodness, I just love it so much. I loved how it's like so many different variations of pinks and purples and that coral orange color. I am loving it. So before I was rudely interrupted by my camera not having enough memory, I was saying that I liked my highlight like a lot. It is one of my favorites that I should use more, but I always forget about it. Like I always like, look at that, it looks so wet, but it's so like, it's like a healthy glow. But before we get to this video, subscribe at the button down below, because you know it takes 2 seconds and it's free. Like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and let's just get right into the video. So first I'm gonna go in with this NYX micro eyebrow pencil and just define my brow. I swear I can always do my brows so fast with this pencil. I can't do my brow this fast with any other pencil, and I don't have to clean up with this pencil neither. Next we're going to go in with this magnet eye primer from Pop Beauty. Next, we're going to go in with this ColourPop pressed powder, and this is the shade Bel Air, and I really love this color as a transition shade for when I'm doing colorful looks. And we're gonna blow this color out, but with everything else, we're gonna try and keep it really tight on the eye. Next, we're going to go into this Pop Beauty Pop Portfolio Sunshine Pop palette. That is a mouthful to say. And we're going to take this, it's like a satin red shade, but it comes out honestly really pink. And we're just going to pop that in the crease, but not blow it out as much as we did with Bel Air. And next from that palette, we're going to take this purple shade and just pop that in the crease as well. I usually never use shimmers in my crease, but today we going big, boy. Then we're just going to take the deeper purple below that and put that into the crease. And now we're going to take the Lancome Drama liqui-pencil in the shade, ooh, this is in French, it's Petillant? I'm not sure. I'll link it down below. I'll list the name down below in the description bar, so look there for the name. But we're going to put that onto our outer corner. And then we're going to take some more of that darker purple and pop it right. We're just going to blend that liquid pencil into the crease a little bit. And then we're just going to re-intensify that pencil. These literally turn into liquid when you apply them, and then they set to cream. And I'm just going to warn you, these things are so hard to get off, but they're so pretty. Next, with our finger, we're going to take this NYX Professional Makeup Duochromatic Illuminating Powder, and this is the shade Synthetica. We're just going to pop that right into the middle of the lid. And then just blend the excess away. And if you need to re-intensify that purple because you went too far, just then blend it together. And then we're going to take this next NYX Professional Makeup Duochromatic Illuminating Powder in the shade Lavender Steel and put it in the inner corner of the lid. There is the lid done, and we're just going to add some Scandaleyes mascara because I don't feel like putting on lashes, to be honest. So for primer, we are going to go in with 2. The first one is this. It's called, I think, VICHY Laboratories V Mineral 89 Booster. This is a skin fortifying daily booster. And to smooth out my skin, we're going in with this Pop Beauty Zero Shine Primer. Just putting this in my T-zone area. For foundation, we're going to go into the MILANI Conceal and Perfect. I use 2 shades like I do in every foundation pretty much, if I can afford it. This is shade 3 and shade 6, and I just, you know, I pretty much put the shade 6 on my forehead and my cheek contours, and I put shade 3 down here in the center of my face pretty much. So let's do that. And I'm just going to use this silly sponge to apply it, and this Real Technique sponge to blend it all out. You know what, I think shade 6 is actually a good match for my whole face now. So we're just going to use shade 6 all over my face. You know what, I'm going to use shade 3 as concealer today, so let me just shake this up. And for setting powder, we're going to use this Kiss Professional Makeup Pro Touch Setting Powder in the shade Banana. I'm going to finish this eye underneath off camera, and then we're going to come back, do this eye, finish our face, and do the lips, and then the look will be complete. First, we're going to go in with this red color and blend it in the lower lash line. Then we're just going to take Bel Air and we're going to blend that red shade out a little bit more. Make sure you connect this outer corner. And then we're going to take the 2 purple shades at the end. We're going to go in with this one first. Ooh, this one first. And then we're going to go in with this one and just put it on the outer corner. And the darker one, we're going to pack that on in the outer corner. Make sure you connect it right here again. Just a reminder. Then we're going to take the liqui-pencil from Lancome and put that on the outer lash line. Then we're just going to take a little damp brush like this. This is a lip brush. And we're going to take these 2 illuminators and pretty much put them in the same spot. The gold one, the peachy one is going to go in the middle. Synthetica will go in the middle, and Lavender Steel will go on the outside. And today for bronzer and contour, we're going to use a oldie but a goodie. The Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer in Medium Deep. Just going to take that on this brush. This is my go-to contour brush, and this is the Sigma F79. You can get 10% off of any of the baking and strobing brushes or these brushes individually that are in the baking and strobing kit. You can get 10% off by using the code BAKEWITHK 10. And for highlight, inner corner, brow bone, and actual highlight, we're going to be using this Makeup Geek Daybreak highlighter. So pretty. It looks very, very pink, but it actually goes on pretty icy. So we're just going to pop some of this in the inner corner, the brow bone, and we're going to highlight our cheekbones with it because it's so freaking gorgeous. For blush, since we didn't use it in the last video, the last makeup tutorial I did, we're going to go in with Dandelion from Benefit. This is such a pretty everyday color. So we're just going to take the brush that it comes with. Ooh, that is so pretty. I like this blush. I swear Benefit blushes smell amazing. And for lips, me and my friend both got this for PR through PIXI, and we wanted to use one of these and create a makeup look together. I will link her down below. What color do I want to go in with? I think I want to go in with this shade. It's called Pastel Petal, and I do have a video where I swatched all of these, so definitely check that out. I will list it down below. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I actually really like this look. I haven't like dug in the color in a long time, and I don't like to follow trends. I hate following trends. If you know me, I don't like to like what everybody else likes. I don't like to do what everybody else is doing. I honestly do not like to do that. I like to do my own thing. Like I'm very I separate myself from a lot of people. So I really wanted to go out of the box for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to subscribe at the button down below so we can be friends forever and ever. And I will see you in my next video.